All right, welcome to Unit 1 Lab Chromatography. So for each of the labs that we do, I'm going to put together a video like this, where I walk you through getting all the materials out of your kits. So for some of these, it's going to be very important that you make sure you grab the exact same vials and things like that, because we want to make sure that you have all the chemicals you need for the very last lab and we haven't already used them. I'm also going to walk you through where to get stuff in the course and setting up the actual lab. So let's start by getting the Unit 1 lab assignment out of the course area. So a couple of ways you can do this. You can use the class content off to the side here. You click on the 1 study of chemistry and scroll down to 1.09 laboratory paper chromatography. You can get it that way. Or you can use the class plan and find 1.09 in green on mine, because that's what color I made chemistry, 1.09 laboratory. All right. Either way gets you to the same thing, but here you're going to click more so that you can see all of the different parts. All right. So lesson introduction is going to introduce you to kind of just the basics of what's going to happen. On the third guide, there is the student guide and laboratory guidelines. These aren't the files that you need. The laboratory guide that you received with your kits is actually going to be the most helpful. But this does give you a nice long list of materials that you'll need. A little bit easier to access maybe than the multiple lists inside of the lab manual. This right here, laboratory paper chromatography, reads you or kind of walks you through what paper chromatography is, what the different parts are, what the solvent is, things like that. So there might be some key vocabulary that you might need to answer the questions at the end. Oh, and this page is not fully set up at the moment.